Here is why you should have a home in San Francisco. Investing in a home in San Francisco today presents a compelling opportunity. The city boasts a thriving real estate market, known for its consistent appreciation over the years. Purchasing now could yield substantial long-term gains, given the city's strong economic foundation and desirability for both residents and businesses. San Francisco's limited land availability and stringent building regulations have contributed to a perpetual demand-supply imbalance, leading to increasing property values. This trend is likely to persist, making real estate a reliable investment option. Moreover, San Francisco's cultural richness and lifestyle offerings make it an attractive place to live, appealing to a broad range of homebuyers. The city's iconic landmarks, parks, world-class restaurants, and vibrant art scene create an unmatched living experience. While San Francisco's real estate market can be competitive, with prices at a premium, strategic buyers can find valuable opportunities, especially considering potential appreciation and rental income. Partnering with a knowledgeable real estate agent can help navigate the market and identify properties with strong investment potential. In conclusion, purchasing a home in San Francisco today offers a favorable outlook due to its robust real estate market, long-term appreciation potential, and diverse cultural offerings, making it a prudent move for those seeking a solid and profitable investment. Contact us today to get started.